Michael, a 42-year-old accountant from Toronto, Canada, noticed a gradual thinning of his hair over the past few years. He felt self-conscious about his appearance and explored various hair loss treatments. However, many options seemed expensive or came with unwanted side effects. Michael yearned for a safe and natural approach to regrow his hair. Unlocking the power of PRP Hair Restoration PRP. Hair restoration leverages the power of platelet-rich plasma, PRP, a concentration of your own growth factors obtained from a simple blood draw. The PRP is then injected into your scalp, stimulating hair follicles and promoting hair growth. The Circle Care in Istanbul offers PRP hair restoration at a starting price of $50, making it an attractive and affordable option. Price, starting from $50. Package includes procedure, transportation, lodging, translation, follow-up meds, first wash, neck pillow, follow-up consultation, airfare not included. Embrace regrowth with PRP Hair Restoration. Ready to explore the potential of PRP hair restoration and achieve a fuller head of hair? The Circle Care in Istanbul can help. Schedule a consultation to determine if PRP hair restoration is the right solution for you.
You can also ask about stretch marks, scars, cellulite, and removal varicose veins removal. Session price range from $30–60 USD. Only you can find this price in Egypt. Reverse the gravity with the Circle Care Your Medical Advisor in Egypt.
Then Egypt is calling your name. Get ready for an adventure that will tantalize your taste buds, transport you to a bygone era, and leave you shaking your hips with a smile. This land is a treasure trove for history buffs, beach lovers, and foodies alike. Welcome to our channel for medical facilitation. For more of medical packages in Egypt, follow, like and share our channel The Circle Care for Medical Tourism.